Hey, this is Jay from Fresh Vintage. It's finally stopped raining, so we're gonna replace the cabin air filter on this 2013 Nissan Altima. Stay tuned. To start with, you pull this panel off. Pretty easy. The cabin air filter is real close to the firewall. You can see it here. This card, the cover is missing. There's going to be a plastic piece that goes right here. All you do is slide up and pull it. Cabin air filter comes out. To get the old filter out, it's a little tricky because they're so flimsy. I kind of worked it out, so I'm just pull it straight out. You can see how dirty this thing is. Look at all that trash coming out. Alright. Here's a picture of the old filter. You can see how dirty and nasty it is compared to the new one. You can see all the debris and stuff that was in the old one. Past time for replacement. It's helpful to squeeze the middle together and the airflow is pointed towards the back of the cabin. Make sure you clean the debris out of the housing. This is everything I pulled out before you put in the new cabin air filter. With the new cabin air filter pinched in the middle and the airflow pointing towards the back of the cabin, slide it in. It's real flimsy, not like most newer ones. Now you just slide it in. And put the cover back. Looks like we're gonna have to go to the junkyard and get a new cover for it, but vacuum everything up and you're done. Now the last step. All we gotta do, other than vacuum up the leaves and the trash, is put the panel back on. You're done. Thanks for watching.